What's up, guys? Man, welcome back. Man, I've been so busy out here, dude. Work has been crazy, but I finally have some time for myself. Finally have some time for this thing. So to get right to it, I'm going to the drag strip on Thursday. Today's Tuesday, so I'm making sure everything is ready to go. I'm putting in my nitrous tune in right now. Once I get that thing in there, I'm gonna play around with this window switch. I'm gonna try to emulate like if I'm at the drag strip. I'm gonna go to this open street right now and test it. I'm not gonna do it out of a dig though, just because I won't be able to grip, you know. But I'm gonna roll into it, kind of emulate somewhat of a dig. Hopefully everything's going. I have an idea of where I want my RPMs to fire at, where I want the nitrous to fire at with RPM. And yeah, hopefully everything goes good. I have my drag wheels on there. My suspension looks pretty good. Gave it a look over. I'm gonna do a quick little check, and then I'm about to go and shoot some nitrous, man. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just go a little slower this time. All right, here we go. One to your head. Alright, checking my fuel. 40, 42. It's 42. So little, man. I can barely see. 46, 48, 50, 52, 54. Ha! Perfect, man. That thing's right at 55. Beautiful. Everything else is good. There's fuel in there. There's nitrous obviously in the bottle. I checked it, there's no leaks, ready to rock. I'm gonna set this thing at today, since I'm gonna be pulling it basically from a dig. Let's set it, 4200 is pretty good for the street in my opinion. I mean for a dig. Off at 72 watt idle, 96 throttle position. That's good. And we'll leave it to put, let's see how 1 second feels today. The ramp. I remember we want to be safe out here, man. We want to lose it and not even ever make it to the drag strip. So step at a time. That's recording. That's recording. My temperature's right in the spot where I need it to be. Let's go get ready to shoot some nitrous, fellas. I haven't really been here in a minute, man. So I usually like getting in front of these trucks here, and it gives me like a good solid eighth of space. Of course, there's a dude on a bicycle, but I'll just wait until he kind of gets ahead a little bit. Give him the time. I mean, can't hurt me. I'm right where actually I want to be. I like being right around 160 for my trans oil. I'm at 155, which is pretty much perfect. Yeah, like I said, so this is the street I come to, about 1/8 of a mile. It's awesome. I try to come here and do just what I needed to do, and then I head home because I don't like calling too much attention. So right now I'm just waiting on this dude on a bicycle. He's kind of like on the street where I'm going to be at, so I want to make sure he's out the way and out of harm's way. And then I'll be going, you know what, let me move up a little bit. That way I can see if there's someone coming down this intersection. I'll start off right on this intersection here. I don't got to worry about it. We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. Alright, so usually how I do this, I'll turn on my fuel cell, make sure I'm getting that C16 in there. Temperatures were tits, to be honest. Then I hope this is recording. Yes, it is. And then I purge, make sure that's some good nitrous there. And then I go. second to third, dude. That thing ripped, bro. Jesus. I literally just talked for like 3 minutes, man, and it didn't record a thing. So here we go, guys. I was saying, I like the setup on this thing now. I'm gonna leave it at 4,200 to start and end at 7,200. I'm enjoying this. Once I get there, I'll see what I play with. I want to do some NA passes. I'm gonna definitely do some nitrous passes. Let's see what happens. On as far as the tires are concerned, PSI is definitely gonna go lower right now. In the front right now, I think I have 25. The rear I have 20. I might even go back here to 15. Right here, right around the same 15, 20. Once I get there, my nitrous tune's in there. I'm gonna go over the suspension one more time tomorrow, make sure everything's tight. I learned my lesson from when I broke my diff bolts. I really am gonna try to prevent it from not happening again. But other than that, this thing is hitting good. It feels good. I have plenty of nitrous, just filled it up, 10-pound bottle. I've only shot it twice, so I should be good for tomorrow. Other than that, I'll make sure the C16's topped off. I have plenty of it back there. So other than that, man, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on Thursday.